Yeah, okay. So I think in the earlier class we have seen that so just how to download this jmeter and how to do the Java environment path setup here. So today's class, just I will go to the so we know this is the Apache JMeter 5.6.3. Just I will go for this, and I will go to bin folder, and from the bin folder, I will for suppose initially there will be no certificate here. Okay, this is a security certificate here. For suppose, let me check. Let me show you which is downloaded recently. Just I want to show you because this is my file. Not just I want to show you like how to this one Apache JMeter. Yeah, this is Apache JMeter 5.6.3. Uh, I think I extracted somewhere. I'm not sure where I extracted. Okay, no problem. Let it be. Sorry, I think I extracted, but I'm unable to check where it is. Just I will check once.
Yeah, like check in recent files.
Yeah, yeah. I think I'm checking. See downloads only. I think in the downloads only it should be there. Yeah, just 2 minutes because I want to explain everything now. Once you downloaded this file, some settings will be there. I think I downloaded here only, but I'm unable to check. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I got it. So this is Apache 5.6.3. So once we download this file, if you'll go to the bin folder, so you can see there is a security certificate, but these certificates will not come in the reset files here. So that's what only I want to show you. Just 2 minutes.
Um,
Just 2 minutes. Right? Okay, yeah, I got it. So this is our file which I got extracted. Na? If you'll see now, there will be no security certificate initially. So then you should go to this Windows batch file, then go to JMeter. Just click on this JMeter. That's it. There will be no more settings here. Just click on this JMeter. Okay. I think I recorded. Yeah. So there will be nothing, no need to worry about like Java or Python like this. It's very simple. Just click on this JMeter Windows batch file. So whenever we are using for first time, na, you will not see any certificate in the bin folder. But this certificate is most important to us. Okay, that is taking some time for the first time. Actually, it will not take this much time, but today it is taking more time. So very simple to use this JMeter. Yeah, it is opening. It is opening. Just the file will open now. Yeah, yeah. This is the file. Okay. Now this just it is a command prompt. No need to use this file. This is important to us. And here you can see there will be so many options here. Initial test plan will come. I will explain you everything because why in today's class I started with jmeter. So you people will know like what is jmeter and how to record this and application everything. Once we know the knowledge, then I will explain you everything. What is the test plan and insert the test plan. I want to add thread group, everything. I will explain each and everything here. Okay. What is a thread group here? What is the config elements here? What is the listeners here? You want to learn. Whenever we are going for interviews, they will focus on these elements here. These are called elements. So uh, initially or insert the test plan, we want to keep all these elements here. For suppose, let me check. This is a thread group here, and this thread group is important to us for doing the load testing. For suppose you want to do load testing for 1,000 concurrency. I said no, like in the earlier class, 1,000 concurrency in the means 1,000 users can run parallelly. So then I want to keep this 1,000 users. Again, maybe in the earlier class, explain you loop count is infinity and time period. I want to mention the time period. For suppose I'm running for 30 minutes. So then I want to mention the 30 minutes in the seconds here. Okay, so this is the thread group. What thread group will do? The thread group will do for doing the testing here, maybe load testing or stress or endurance testing, anything. So mainly the thread group will help us. So for suppose if you're planning for 10,000 concurrency, then run for 10,000 concurrency. Okay. Slowly I will explain you like what is a ramp up period, everything I will explain you. But overall, I want to give some high level idea for you what is a thread group and how to do the load testing here. Just this is the high level idea. And inside the thread group, you can add the sampler. Here, what is a sampler in the sense? An HTTP request. For suppose, let me show you the jmeter bin folder. This is the URL. Okay. And once I will open the developer tool, I want to open developer tool. Developer tool is very important to us. Today's class, I will explain you the developer tool also. Once I will complete all the settings, just I can go for inspect here. Go to inspect here. Then developer tool will opens here. And from this developer tool, go to network tab. So whenever like the project, every project will not looks like similar. Some projects may be complex here, some projects may be simple or medium. Okay, but whenever you are facing any issue in recording the jmeter or in identification of any dynamic values here, the developer tool will help you people. Very very important to us. So just if you refresh here in the developer tool, it will show the all the requests here. I'm having two requests here. In this particular page, is sending two requests to the server. So this is one request and this is one request here. Okay, for suppose I have seen one request here. How it is looking? HTTP, HTTPS, petstore dot some jpetstore.com here. So then what I should do? This is one request I'm sending to server. I'm sending a request to the server. So then I want to make just I'm explaining manually, but no need to do manually in real time. Just record and playback. Just I want to explain you what is a protocol. So here always whenever any project will come, we should check with them what is a protocol, which protocol they are using. Either they are using HTTP protocol, HTTPS protocol, or any other LDAP protocol. I will explain everything, the different varieties of protocols here. But mostly 90% of the projects are HTTP or HTTPS. Okay. So these are the protocols here. Then coming for server name. Here server name or IP. For suppose if you see the JPEG store here, this is the server name. This is the server name. Just I will copy this. Then I will go to the my jmeter. Just I will paste it. My server name. Then port number, maybe if you can check from developer tool, it's okay. But otherwise, uh, I think he given 443 here. He given 443. Let me check. I'm also not sure because we used to do the recording of the application. Okay. So if it is a 443, then you can mention here the port number is 443. Again, you want to mention this HTTPS request here is a get or post or put or I will explain everything briefly. Just I want to show you the picture. What is the JMeter and what is the tool, everything, and what is the developer tool. Here, these are all APIs here. For suppose get request means we are asking server for giving me some information. I'm asking the server. That is a get. For suppose post. If I'm sending any request to the server, then I can say it is a post. Okay. So I will explain everything. All this we are having so many protocols here. Okay, HTTP request here, but more 90 percentage we will go for get and post. 90 percentage. Then path. Here only we should give the server name. We should not give any path. So if you'll see here, after server name, there is a slash here. That slash is the server is the path. Okay. In this way, like every HTTP request will have a protocol, will have a server name, port number, and path, and HTTP request. Either it is a get or post or any other. Okay. So these are the pro, uh, okay element like in the these are the elements in the HTTP request. In this way, you can add all the thread in the thread group. You can add logic controller. Okay, I will explain you each and everything because you should learn whenever. I think yeah, you can speak. I think if you want to be, I can pause it for some time. Just 1 second. So just I want to explain only what is HTTP request. I want to explain all the elements here. But in my coming classes, I will explain you everything like how many thread groups we are having. Okay, still we are having so many thread groups here. Everything I will explain you. Okay. Then this config elements here. I want to explain everything. What is a config elements? Maybe we never use everything, but whenever you people are preparing for interviews now, they may ask you about each and everything because when I given my interview, so they used to ask all these questions here, everything, because they want to test how much knowledge we are having on this tool. Then view result tree. These are all listeners here. Listener in the sense like whatever I will do. For suppose when I will run this test, when I will run this test, it will show in my view result tree because of it's not proper way. Just I want to show this one. Okay, in the view result tree, it will show. It's got stuck here. So I want to close just 1 second. I think it's got stuck. Okay, no problem. Whenever it got stuck now, then either you can close this one. Just you can close this command prompt. Then the JMeter will also close. So there will be no issue then. Or you can go to the bin folder whenever you want to stop the test here. There is an option here. We can stop the test here from here. Okay, so whenever any problem happens here, you can stop it, or you can go for shutdown. Okay, so many options will be there. I think this is our bin folder, and I will go to the JMeter. Yeah, let me explain you. So I think now you understood now where we are doing all this testing here. Everything we are doing in the thread group. All the either it may be the load testing or endurance testing here or anything. Okay, the thread group will help us. Actually, today's class I want to explain developer tool, but I want to give you some overview. What is a jmeter, everything. Yeah, in the meanwhile, we can see the developer tool also. See the developer tool, it will show. I maybe you want to learn everything. This developer tool will help us initially. So in general, this is called request URL. The URL which we are requesting to the server, and this is a get request here. And status code. This status code is also important. They may ask you, like, what is the status code? How many status codes you know? Okay, 200 means it's a perfect, like response will come properly. 400 means bad request. 404 means not found. 500 means internal server error. Okay, and 40401 unauthorized. Like this, we are. They will test your knowledge whether you know about the status codes. Okay, I will explain slowly each and everything. I will explain you. Then here they will give you everything: response headers, response body. Okay, this is the response. You can check from the developer tool. What is the response here? Okay, this is the response here, and it is a preview. Okay, see, can you see the same page is coming in developer tool in the preview? So how it is helping us? The developer tool is helping us. The same page will come here also. Then you can see the timing. In this timing, you can check where it is taking more time. Waiting for server response is taking more time. I will explain everything further. Okay, let me show you the settings in the JMeter now. What I will do, just I will go to the, no need to add manually. I said no need to add manually. Just I want to explain you everything I added. But directly you can go for file, you can go for templates. You can go for templates. There will be one template option here. Here already some templates will be there, ready-made test plans here. 90% you can go for recording template. There will be no issue. Just go to the recording template, create. Just create and you can create. Just that's it. It is taking some time. Okay. So see, no need to add manually each and everything. It is coming here. A test plan will come here. Just you can see, you can expand or you can minimize here. Okay. Now I explain the view result tree is the listener. Here you can check all the recording, whatever we are recording from the developer tool, from the application. This everything will come. Everything will come here. And here it is a test plan. It is a test plan. It is a user defined variables. Everything I will explain in the in future. Just I have for some time. No need to change anything here. Leave it like this. And it is HTTP request default, like protocol and server name and port number and okay, the path. Everything will come here in HTTP request default. I will explain you what is it, this very important to us. HTTP request default can control the whole script very easily. Okay, then cookie manager. I will explain you what is a cookie manager, what is a cache manager. Okay, as of now, my main objective is there is no security certificate to my JMeter. See, if you see, this is my jmeter bin folder. This is my tool which I'm using now. There is a security certificate here, but this is the file which I downloaded recently. There is no security certificate. That certificate is important, and we cannot copy and paste from somewhere. Okay, so that may not work. Just I want to bring that security certificate again. Then what I will do, I'm having an HTTP test script recorder. This is called HTTP test script recorder. Just enable this. Initially, it isn't disabled. Just enable. Right click and enable. Just enable this. Okay. So whenever you're recording any application, just enable. Whenever you're not recording any application, just disable. Now, just for some time, I will start and I will stop it. Just this is called start. When I will press the start, the recording will happens here. I can able to record the application. When I will press stop, the recording will stop. Okay. So always the jmeter tools will help us for recording and playback. Just what I will do, just what is it? Just I will start and I will stop it. That's it. Or for the first time, if you are using, then you can see the magic here. You can see the date. My date is 10:11 and 9:43 p.m. Now it is 9:43 p.m. And you can see the certificate came here. The security certificate came at my time. Okay. So this certificate is most important to us. Okay, I will explain you why it is important. I want to record a particular application from the Chrome, but this when you record this application, the application will not record. Certificate is important. Okay, so now I think you understood. Once we start and stop it, the security certificate came here. So now what I will do, I will go to Chrome and I will go to this three bars here. Okay, then I will go for just I will go to the settings here. Okay, just I will go to the settings here. Most important. Now, now I will write certificate. I will search the certificate. Okay. Now you can see it is showing in security. I will go to security. Then I will go for, see it is showing in manage certificate. I will go to manage certificate here. Okay. Then I will go for my import certificate. Just I'm checking. Okay. See, just you can go for manage import certificate here on the Windows. Okay. See, very simple. Just go to local certificates and manage import certificate from Windows here. Go to trust root certificate. Okay. So my jmeter certificate is there, but that is expired. I will remove this. Just I will remove this. Okay. Now I will upload. I will import my jmeter certificate. Again, I will write import. I will go to next. Okay. Uh, then I want to browse also. I want to browse. I want to browse the jmeter certificate. Okay. So I think it is in downloads here. Then it is going for jmeter bin folder. Then this is my security certificate. I want to upload the certificate. Then I will go to next, finish. Okay, wherever the browser, for suppose if you're using Chrome, this is the process. Firefox, similar process here. Okay, everything. So then you can see uh, in every 7 days it will expire here. Every 7 days it will expire here. Then again I want to import. I will explain one more in my coming class. This expiry date can also increase. This expiry date can also increase here. So I will explain you in coming days. Okay. Now this is very important. So you can check once again. Okay. So like this, you want to import the certificate in any browser. Maybe you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser. Similar way, go to settings and search for certificate. And once certificate is got got imported into the Chrome browser, then you can record the application. Okay, but coming for before coming for recording the applications here, I will explain you. I think tomorrow class I will explain you how to record these applications here. But today's class I will explain everything. Initially, remove this recording controller because maybe we can use recording controller also. But in my classes, I will not go for recording controller. Okay, just I never prefer this recording controller. Just I will and I can remove. Just I will remove this transition controller. Now I will go to the thread group. I will add one sampler. Oh, sorry, logic controller. In the logic controller, I will add transition controller. I will explain everything. What is the transition controller? Everything I will explain you. Okay, let me show you the JPEG store. Initially, in the JPEG store, this is the URL, na? This is the URL. So, if you open the developer tool, two requests came. Two requests came. So, this is one page. Here, one transition controller will be for one page. So now I can say that this is URL. This is URL. Okay, this is called. You can change the name. You can change the name. This is URL page. Again, I will go to thread group here. Again, I will add the transition controller. See, whenever any project comes, na, check the flow, check the application flow properly for 3 times, 4 times. You people should able to understood the flow properly. Okay. Now I will go to enter the store. If I will make it enter the store, one more page will come. So this is one more page. Again in this page, some other request will come here. So I will say that this is called enter the store. This is called enter the store. Again I will go to thread group here. Again I will add one more transition controller. So you want to check. I will go for sign in. I will go for sign in page. So just I will write sign in. Okay. So just I will write sign in. Okay. So this is called sign in. Again, I will go to the again I will go to this. I will go for register now. Okay, I will go to register now. So I think I will add one more transition controller and register now. Okay. So in this way, like every page, each and every page, I want to mention properly. So once the registration will happen, na, save information. Okay. It will save everything. I want to give some username, everything. Then I think logout will come here. If logout will come, that is one transition controller page, or otherwise no problem. So in this way, like before recording the application, you want to arrange the script properly. This is called the script, a test plan. You will say that this is one test plan. Insert the test plan. This all elements will come here. Thread group, transition controllers, user defined variables. Okay, everything will come here. So you want to design the script properly initially, then we can record this application. Now, again, before recording this application, there are some settings here. I want to go for HTTP test script recorder. There are some settings here. Again, here port number. Some questions may come in the interviews here because this question is asked me whenever I'm also like attending interviews here before some years back. Okay, they used to ask me what is the port number? Is 48 or you can use any port number? So then you people should answer. You can use any port number. I can use any port number. There will be no issue. Okay. So there will be no issue. I can use any port number. So as of now, I'm using 4/8. Then target controller. In the target controller, I want to make it like initially URL. Okay, I want to make URL. Then grouping. I will explain everything. What is this grouping here? Do not group samplers, because why I mention URL. Initially, I want to eat the URL page. Then all the requests, because we know in developer tool, in the URL page, we are having two requests. That two requests will come inside the URL page. So that is the reason. That is the. I think you understood, na? This is the purpose of your this target controller. So all the requests will come inside the URL. Then grouping. Do not group samplers. I will explain you everything. This one and naming scheme. As of now, you can go for suffix here. I will explain what suffix in the sense a number. Each and every request for a number will come. Okay, this number will come before. Prefix in the sense the number will come after. These are the settings here we should do in the HTTP test script recorder. These are the settings we should do. And this I will explain you what is this filtering, request filtering, everything. This is called test plan creation. Now coming for again, whatever we will record everything, now everything will record here in the view result tree. I want to browse. I want to browse it. I want to something like I want to copy some name here. Just I want to write some name. Demo application. Demo.jtl. This JTL file is most important. Yeah, this box will come. No need to worry. That box will come for everyone. Just keep everything tick mark here. Just keep everything tick mark here. These are the settings, every we should do. And this JTL file is most important because all the recordings will come in the JTL file only. Okay, yeah. Let me close this. I can join. Okay, I can join. I think it will stop now.